everybody, welcome back to ToolBelts and Lace. Today I am out on our property, and this is the Scriber Creek that runs through our property. We have about 171 feet of creek front, but the way it is currently, it's a little bit hard to access, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of that. So today I came out here with some supplies, and I was able to get started on making the stairs that will help us get down here a little easier. So we're going to take a little tour up the hill so you can see what it's like, and then I'll show you the stairs that we got completed. I got 10 stairs done today, many more to go. So stand by for our little walk. So this is the little access way that we have, which is currently pretty overgrown, and a little bit muddy, and a lot of it looks like prehistoric growth back here. And for right now, we just have this rope to kind of help you pull yourself up. You can see it kind of going up there along the trees. And so we need like a little bridge right here, make a little arched bridge, and then I'll probably need another arched bridge down here because that part gets pretty muddy when the water rises. So right now we're just gonna hop over this area. And so this is a really steep spot, as you can see. I'm kind of holding the camera level. So it really does help to have the rope right now. And what I have learned is if you start at the top step when you're putting in steps like this, it helps you fill in the top of the step once you get up there. So it's just a beautiful day today in Garden Valley, and we're just enjoying some quiet time here on the property. No music, no news, and just some lovely sunshine out there above the creek. So get a little winded on this little trip because it's a little bit of work. You can start to see the stairs from right here, and I just used pressure treated 2x8s and cut them to the size that I wanted, and then used 2-foot rebar and drove those down to give it some support, and then filled the dirt into the steps right there, and that's up at the top there. So you can see I just filled it in with dirt for the most part. When it rains, I might have to come and add a little bit more dirt. And on this little landing, I decided to fill it in a little bit with rocks. I gotta find some more rocks to fill in some of the spaces, but you can see kind of how steep that is. And we'll go up here to the top. Whoops. And get a view from the bottom, or from the top. So way easier right here. You can see we had a rope there as a handrail. And this just really makes it a lot safer to come down here without skidding down the hill. So I'm real happy with it so far. Just have a few stairs left to go. But luckily this area is kind of flat, so we can tolerate this. We don't need stairs for that. Just that first part right coming off of the creek. All right, everybody. Welcome Idaho spring and summer. Time to get busy.